Welcome everybody to the second Battlefront video lesson number 2, how to do one-on-ones and situations. This is OFSR Eagle here, and I will be your teacher for all the video lessons, and I will be going over 3 points today. Point 1, never underestimate your opponent. I'll show you techniques on hallway battle, anticipating their movements, and good cornering techniques and ambush positions. Point number 2, how to face more than one opponent. I'll show you how to surprise attack one opponent and isolate him, how to be on top of their CP and drop one after the other is out of view, and I'll show you how to be aware of their positions constantly and to notice that if one disappears, expect an ambush. And point number 3, situations with more than one opponent. This is basically clan battles, but it's also for one-on-ones too. So let's get into it. How to do on one-on-one. First off, I can't stress how important it is to never underestimate your opponent. I personally have done this before, and each time I do, I wind up dead. So always go into a battle prepared for your opponent to be top-notch. Then you can feel it out from there. With that said, let's get into hallway battle. Okay, a lot of the techniques used for one-on-ones will come with the actual play of it. There's no definite way to teach hallway battle one-on-ones, and most one-on-ones are used in the hallway, like this. The more you play, the more you learn, but I'll try to teach you the basics of it. First off, for one, a lot of people will automatically spawn as a missile launcher. For one, we are a sniper clan, Omega Force Sniper Recon. And second, most missiles you see coming. See how it takes so long to get there? Someone like me will sidestep it and it's no use. And sticky grenades are almost as effective as mines when properly used, rather than hoping they'll walk over it. So, there will be some cases when you'll fight the entire hallway, like this. You'll then do what's called snap shooting. Snap shooting is peeking out from a wall quickly, taking a shot, then ducking back in. And I'll use it a lot like this. See how I roll back? It's a lot quicker. I might go like that, take a shot, go back, like that. It's sometimes really hard to do. You have to use anticipation, which is key, and also with pistol shots. But when doing a little sniper battle like this, he might be all the way right there, right near his CP. I'll be right here, and we'll be fighting the entire hallway, just like that. What I'll do a lot, and it throws them off, and it's hard for them to get a shot at me. Let me reload real quick. I'll snap out, take a shot, duck back in. Now, snap shooting is not just taking random blind shots and hoping you'll hit it. It isn't going like this and just popping out like that. There's no consistency to it. It's only popping out, seeing your target, shooting it, and ducking back in. As I said before, it's only popping out, seeing your target, then ducking back in. I placed mines along the entire wall right there, and one right there, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. The one thing that you, like I said before, you don't want to do is just take out random blind shots, because obviously you won't hit it just by going like that. You do want to see your target by zooming in like that. So whenever I see my target, it's really hard to do with these small mines. And also remember, these are stationary mines. They will not always, with a target, he'll always be moving. And it does work a lot, especially you use the lag of the computer to your advantage. See how I hit it right there? That's just a little snap shooting. What you do, you anticipate, and you anticipate them rolling into your shot before actually before you see them and actually fire, like I'm doing right here. Right now I have to see the mine for one, because there's a little lag. Obviously I can't see all the mines as they are, but I'll just do a little snap shooting right here. I'll it's a lot like that, and it takes a lot of practice. A lot of time. I mean, it's just something you have to get knacky and good at. Yeah, there you go. That mine's gone, and then it's just a lot of this. It's also, you might snap shoot even when you're right in the open. You might be going back like this and just doing a lot of this. I do this a lot, especially with some people. I feel it out, see if I can do it, and if I can, I'll do that. Really hard because the mines are switching places on me. That's what I'll do. And again, this is basically leading. Let's say my target's behind the wall. That's how it works. I'm gonna get rid of the mines, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Another good plan is when you're sure he's behind a wall, you can throw a grenade. Watch. You can throw a grenade right here, just like that, and that's called an angle grenade. And you can also bounce it off the wall like that. It's not my forte. It's not a foolproof plan, but it's good to know. Speaking of corners, let's get ready to learn cornering techniques. Cornering is forcing a player to back into a defensive position. You do this by either throwing a grenade and pistol shooting him like that, or doing what's called pieing the corner. Pieing the corner is a maneuver used to force your opponent into a corner and make him an easy kill. Now, if you should be in this situation, throw a grenade at that corner. What you can do is, what pieing the corner is, let's say he's right here. Okay? He's right there. What you do, you come in shooting like this. For this guy, for the guy he's shooting at, it will force him to back up this way into a corner, and then you can then throw a grenade right here, and he's dead. Now, if you should be in this situation, let's say your opponent is pieing the corner this way, and you're being forced this way, what you do, throw a grenade down, so when he crosses it, he's dead. Then return fire and get out of there ASAP. If the grenade doesn't kill him, what you need to do is roll out and start shooting. Bam, bam, like that. Ambush positions. This wouldn't be a video lesson without them. First, let me say, you cannot stay there for more than one shot. Once you fire, your position is compromised. That means he'll know where you are. And since your position probably doesn't allow much room to move, and since he might throw a grenade up there, you have to have a good escape plan. So this is what I mean. From right here, throw it. This right here is an ambush position. Let's say you're on the rebel side over there. If you look at the bottom screen, bottom left corner, you'll see that I am facing the rebels camp. Let's say you're rebels, you just killed a guy, you jump up here, okay? This is an ambush position. Let's say he walks out, you can then drop down right behind him, kill him. But you do want to be careful because there is a possibility that, let's say you just killed him right here and you jump up there, they have that 3-second kill cam, and it will kind of prohibit you from having the element of surprise, because they'll see you get up there and then they'll expect it, throw a grenade, and that's why you need to have a good escape plan. So you would either roll off from up there or jump down. So take in mind that he might follow you when you're doing stuff. So plant mines in places where you'll lead him. So let's say you might want to plant one here, 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 and any places that you might like, especially right here. Because let's say he's coming, oh no, I'll roll out of the way, he'll come and probably do the same thing, get blown up. Now, beware, he might do this to you, so you can see if a mine is attached to a corner by seeing the shadow that it casts. I'll show you in a second. Now, if you'll see, the shadows are casting always, well, not always, are always casting this way. So when you place a mine there, you see that it is a that it casts a shadow, and you won't always necessarily see it there. So if you know this spot is clear, come this way. Oh wait, there's a mine there. Shoot it. But let's say it's something like this. Throw a grenade. You don't want to throw it that way, far away. I'm sorry. What you want to do is step to about right here where you won't get blown up. Throw closer to the ground, and it will blow the mines up. It won't do it now. That is the exact example of what you want to get. It won't do it to your own mine, so don't worry about that. And the following explosion will destroy the mine. Anticipation, again, plays a big part in one-on-ones. Let's say we're fighting close quarter combat. If he runs past me, I have to anticipate where he's going to land. Let's say this is me right here. I'm going like this, right? For me, standing here, I see his jump arc. I have to anticipate where he's going to land. So if I see him coming right here, he jumps, throw a grenade down, he lands in that spot and gets blown by the grenade. Or what you might want to do is throw it at the ceiling, because they will be closer to the ceiling than they will be the ground. So you see them coming, throw it, boom. Even affects me from that distance. All jumps have the same distance at the same speed, and it's all the same speed. Besides throwing a grenade, I can also lead and shoot. So let's say I see him jumping, I can go like this, or I see him jump, right as he hits about here, I shoot here, maneuver this way, and shoot. I should get it.